Hello, I'm going to share a recipe that my wife gave me for a delicious appetizer. Now I'm going to make a confession here. I have not tried this yet. I'm making it for the very first time here recording. And but it sounded very good. And what it is, you get some pearl onions from the freezer section, let it defrost. If you have a microwave, you could defrost it 5 minutes in the microwave. Then, yep, I didn't open up the spices up yet. What you're going to do is you're going to sprinkle it with some oil. The oil I'm using is coconut oil that I've melted down. Just sprinkle it. Don't load it up. Just sprinkle. All right. And then some paprika sauce. Spice sauce. Just sprinkle. There's no measurement or anything. Just whatever amount you want. And some garlic powder. Garlic powder. Again, just sprinkling it on. I love garlic, so hope I'm not ruining it by putting too much garlic in it. And then you're gonna mix the pearl onions. Mix it all up real good so that the spices get on all of them. And then you're going to put it into the air fryer. Once in the air fryer, I can mix it up even more. Shake it up real good. Get the spices all in there. And then you're going to put it in the air fryer for 15 minutes on 400. Set for 400. And 15 minutes. And I'll be right back once that's done. Okay, so 15 minutes has gone by, bell went off, and oh man, this smells good. And, oh shoot. Wow, it smells so good. It looks good too. I gotta try one now. Oh, wow. But you turn them around, you shake it up a little bit, and then you put it back in for another 15 minutes. I'm probably going to shorten it a little bit. They look pretty, I'm probably just going to go 10 minutes. But the instructions say there are 15 minutes. Also, to backtrack a little bit, the way I defrosted the blooming onions is I put them in the refrigerator instead of the freezer. But the instructions said that microwaving for 5 minutes. I don't have a microwave, so um, so far they tasted good. But I'll be back in 15 minutes. All right, so they cooked for another 10 minutes, and they the pearl onions should look like that. Nice, crispy, dark. And now in the directions, in the cooking directions, they also made a sauce using mayonnaise, horseradish sauce in equal portions, and then some mustard. I went to get the horseradish sauce, the ingredients for the sauce, and when I got to the horseradish sauce, I saw that all the horseradish sauce has sugar in it. So, being someone who does not consume sugar, I avoided the horseradish sauce. What I'm going to try is chipotle sauce. I love chipotle sauce. So, and they use it as a dipping sauce. What they make is a dipping sauce, but I'm going to cheat and go ahead and pour it on the pearl onions. Now they say that this will make it that this will taste like the blooming onion, but I do realize I changed it up a little bit with the chipotle sauce instead of the sauce that they made. So mine may not taste like a blooming onion. I don't know, but I'm gonna give it a try. It smells good and it looks good. I love onions, so I figure can't really go wrong with this, you know. And cooking stuff in the air fryer. I love the air fryer. It's my most used cooking device in this truck. I love the air fryer because a lot of things you cook in there, it tastes kind of like it was grilled, you know. So I love it. And then all the sauces and stuff. Plus, I'm not there's stuff I can cook, but I'm not really big in cooking, especially meats and stuff like that. The air fryer is pretty much, you set it and it's really easy to use. So it's a huge advantage to me. But oh, that is good. Holy shoot. I'm going to be, I can see, I'm going to be making this a lot. Oh, man. Really spicy, too. I think the chipotle sauce. I might try a different sauce next time. But, wow. Nice and spicy. Tastes good. I love it. But there you have it. Now this here, no, it doesn't taste like blooming onion, but it tastes very, very good. This is great. I love it. I gotta go and pick up some more pearl onions. But there you have it. Real simple, easy snack, low carb. You know, enjoy.